In a two-dimensional array, each element is a one-dimensional array. This statement will create a two-dimensional array. The two elements of this two-dimensional array are one-dimensional arrays with 3 elements each. Hence, the shape of the array is 2 by 3. Let's assign this array to the variable a2d. Let's find out the number of dimensions for a2d. This is a two-dimensional array, so the number of dimensions is 2. We can confirm that if we find out the shape of the array. This is an array with the shape 2 by 3. That is, there are 2 rows and 3 columns. You can also find out the data type for the array. It is int 32. A2d is very much a 2 by 3 matrix, but A1d is not a 6 by 1 matrix. In fact, it is neither a 1 by 6 matrix. It will make a lot of sense if A1d can be represented as a matrix. To do so, we will have to alter the shape attribute of A1d. To alter the shape attribute of A1d, we will assign a new shape to the shape of A1d. If I execute this statement, A1d will become a two-dimensional matrix with 6 elements. Let's print A1d. This is a 6 by 1 matrix. Let's find out the number of dimensions for A1d. A1d is now a two-dimensional array. Let's find out the shape of A1d. The shape of A1d is 6 by 1. That is, there are 6 rows and 1 column. Note that the shape attribute of an array returns a tuple. In input 12, a tuple is assigned to the shape attribute of A1d. If you like, you can call the reshape method on an array and pass the new shape that you like to the method call. For example, this statement will return A1d as a two-dimensional array with the shape 3 by 2. There are 3 rows and 2 columns.